Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable adaptive sound on Google Pixel phone. So adaptive sound basically uses your phone's microphone to automatically adjust the speaker's sound quality based on your surroundings and the noise around you. So for example, if you're making a phone call at home and then you move to a more louder and noisy place, adaptive sound will automatically adjust the audio so that the voice sounds more clear, like your conversation with someone on the phone just sounds better and doesn't get interrupted by the noise around you. So to get started, first go to settings, click on settings, then go to sound and vibration, and then scroll down, then click adaptive sound. Over here you can just enable it from here. Once you're done, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.